Very good morning. Yes, very good morning, children. Yes, you are all fine, right? Yes. Then, what you people are doing? Are you watching video? Is it? Very good. Had your breakfast? Yes. Then, how is the weather, children? Yes, morning and all sunny. Then after evening, it start rain. Yes, children? Yes, what to do? The weather is like that, right? Yes. Then, we will move to the class. Yes, tell me what is the date today? Today, the date is, yes, 5th. Okay, today is 5 date. Then we are in the month of October. Here is 2021. Today it is Tuesday. Tuesday we have is English subject, right? Yes, let us see what is the thought for the day. Yes. Never stop learning because life never stop teaching. Yes, never stop learning because life never stop teaching. Right? Yes. Then children, yes, we were in, where we were in? Yes, module 4. Yes, we were in module 4. Till where we completed, children? Yes, till subject pronoun, till that we have been completed, right? Yes, tell me what is pronoun, children? Pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun are the words that we use instead of naming words. That is nouns. Instead of noun, we are using these words, right? That is called pronoun. Okay? Yes. Then, what is subject noun? Sorry, subject pronoun. Yes, I already taught you. What is subject pronoun, children? Tell me, subject pronoun are the pronouns that take place of naming words. Instead of naming word, this subject pronoun will be taking place, right? That is called subject pronoun. It might be people also, place, animal or a thing. Anything let it be. Instead of naming word, we are using this pronoun, right? That is subject pronoun. Okay. Yes. Example like yes, I, we, you. Yes. Then he, she, they, it. This and all comes under the subject pronoun. Okay. That do the main action in the sentence. Yes, this will do main action in the sentence. Okay. I means when we will use the I, we will use I when we are talking about oneself. Okay, about yourself. Then only about yourself, right? We taking about onself while talking about onself and others. Ourself also and others also we are talking means then we will use we. Okay. You while talking to someone else. If you are talking about someone else, then you will use you. Right? Yes. Then while talking to a group of people. In a group of people if you are talking, then you say yes. You use you. Okay. Okay. In a group if you are talking, you will use you. Right, children? Yes. Then he. For what purpose you will use he? When you are talking about a boy or a man, then you will use he. Even an animal let it be. Yes, you will use he. Okay. Yes, then she. While talking about a girl or a woman or a female animal, then you will use she. Okay. Yes, then they. When you will use they? Yes. We will use they while talking about group of people. When we are talking about group of people, we say they. Okay. Yes. Then it. For a non-living or an animal, we say it. Okay. That time we will use it. Okay. Already I explained this and all, right, children? Just I am revising. Okay. Yes. Remember. Yes. Once again you will remember. Okay. We do not use naming words again and again. We need not to use always again and again the naming words. We will use pronouns in the place of naming words. Okay. Yes. We do not use our names to talk about ourselves. When we are talking about ourselves, we will not use our name. We will say I was talking, I was eating, I was going to that place, this place, like that. Okay, when you are talking about yourself, you always use I. Right, children? We use the word is I. I is also a pronoun. I also it is a pronoun. It is followed by am. Even am also is pronoun. And not is or are. Is or are not what? Pronoun. Okay. Is, a or are. These two are not pronoun. Okay, children? Understanding, children? Then next we have, till there we completed. Now we will start from the, yes, page number 36. Read the subject pronouns below. Yes, from there we will start. Yes, take out your book, children. Yes, page number 36. Read the subject pronoun below. Yes, one means only about one person you are talking means, then what you should use? I, you, he, she, it. This and all we can use. Okay. If you are talking many people, about many people, then what you will use? We, you, they, like that. Okay. Yes. Then next, exercise 3.1, page number 37. Underline the subject pronouns in the sentence given below. One is done for you. Yes, here subject pronoun you should underline. Okay. Yes. One is done already. See, it is a new dress. Correct. It is a new dress. It is a what? Subject pronoun. Okay. Then you will all get prizes. You will all get prizes. Which is subject pronoun? You. Yes, you. Okay. This is a subject pronoun. Then next, I have many friends. I have many friends. Which is subject pronoun here? I. Okay. I. Underline. Then next, she plays football. Yes, she. Good. She is pronoun. Underline. Then, they live together. Yes, they. Underline. Then next, we are eating breakfast. Yes, we. We is pronoun. Okay. Underline, children. Next, exercise 3.2. Match the pictures to the correct subject pronouns. One is done for you. Yes. This is a, what is this picture? Boy. For boy, what pronoun you will use? He. Correct? See, they have matched. Okay. Now, what is this, children? What is this? Book. This is a book, right? Yes. Then, what you will use for the book? It. Because it is non-living thing. Non-living thing, animal, we will use it. Okay. So, match it. It. Okay. Use scale, children. Use scale and draw. Draw the line. Okay. Then what picture this is? Yes, two children. Correct. Yes, what you will use? What you will use, children? Tell me. Tell me, children. Can you see? Yes. Yes, these are children, right? What we will use? Yes, tell me. We. Right? We. Yes, match it. We use. They both only two people, right? They are talking to each other. Then we only. Okay, underline. Sorry. Match it. Yes. This is girl. Right? This is what? Girl. For girl, what we will use the pronoun? She. See here. She. Match. Then next. What is this? This is a boy. What he is doing? See the picture properly, children. What he is doing? He is showing a finger to himself only. Right? Then for himself, what he will use? I. Okay, I. Match I. One person only, right? He is pointing out himself like this finger. Then it is I only. Correct? Yes, he will use I. Then next, what is this? More than two children. Three. Right? See, even the finger is showing like this. Then what you will say? They. Because you will show like this. They only did like that. You will point out, right? Yes. Then what you will use the pronoun for this? They. Match it. Okay. Match it, children. Yes. Then turn next page. What we have? Exercise 3.2. Sorry, 3.3. Fill in the blanks with the correct subject pronoun from the option given in bracket. One is done for you. Bracket, you should choose the pronoun. Okay, subject pronoun you should choose. See, Tammy, Ahmad and Sonu went to the park. They had a fun day. Okay, they, because 1, 2, 3 members, more than 2, they only. Okay, so they. Then next, can I have a sandwich? Question mark. Okay, then dash, I am very hungry. Can I have a sandwich? Dash, I am very hungry. Am means I, correct? I am hungry. We will use I because already they have used here I only. See, can I have a sandwich? I means about himself, right? So we should use I. Write down I. I always should be in capital letter. Write down, children, that is a rule. Okay. Then next, that elephant has a trunk. Dash also has big ears. The elephant has a trunk. Okay, that elephant has a trunk. Dash also has big ears. Which? Yes, that elephant means one elephant. Okay. Then animal. It is an animal. Animal, non-living thing. What we will use? Eat. Correct. So eat. I eat. Write down. Eat. Okay. That elephant has a trunk. Eat. See, full stop. That's why capital letter. I-T. Eat. It also has big ears. Okay. Then next, Anita and I are going out. Dash are going to the market. Anita and I means two of them. Right. Then what you will use? E you will use, it you will use, we you will use. We. Correct. Because both two members. It means there is no animal also, non-living also. Then why you will use it? Right. Anita means girl. Right. Then girl only. Then not he. Right. We cannot use he also. Then we you should use. We. Here full stop. So you should use capital letter V. Okay. W-E-V. Then next. Polly is a good girl. Dash goes to school every day. Polly is a good girl. Girl means you will use what? Yes, she. Correct. See, she. Write down she. Because full stop is there, capital letter yes. Okay, she. Then next, Raju and Raghu like apples. Dash ate one every day. Yes, Raju and Raghu. It. They are non-living or animal. No, right? We will not use it. We. Raju and Raghu like apples. Right? We are telling about other person. We are telling about other person. So, we cannot use we. Because you are not saying about yourself and other self. You are saying about others. Then you should use they. Okay. See, full stop is there. Capital letter T. T-H-E-Y. They. Okay. Raju and Raghu like apples. They ate one every day. Okay. Write down they. Completed. Then turn next page. Here exercise 3.4. Replace the underlined naming words with subject pronouns and rewrite the sentence. Add a full stop after you complete a sentence. One is done for you. Yes, instead of noun, naming word. Instead of naming word, you should use a pronoun, subject pronoun. Okay. See, Mona cooks good food. Mona is a girl name. Then you should use she. Correct? Yes. Then next, Shobha, Jane and I are sisters. Yes. In this, what you will use? They. Correct? Because Shobha, Jane and I are sisters. They are sisters. So, we should... Yes, children. Shobha, Jane and I are sisters. Tell me. Yes, because I is there here, right? About yourself also and others also you are telling. So what you will use? We. Because you and others you are joining. So we should use we. Write down we are sisters like that, right? You should only write this is homework. We are sisters, like this. Full stop you should put, children, whenever you complete the sentence. Okay. Then next, the orange is sweet. Orange is a non-living thing. So you will write what? Yes, it. It is sweet. It is sweet. Okay. Yes. Then next, because they underline the orange also, so you should write it only. Okay. It is sweet. That's it. Then next, Tina and Raj are friends. Yes. Tina and Raj, you are telling about others. Then you should use they. They. They are friends. Write down. You should only do, children, but then too I am showing the answers. Mr. Das is my teacher. Mr. Das. Mr. means man. Okay, what you will use? E. Correct? Yes, E. He is my teacher. Okay, full stop. Then Ramu is sleepy. Ruma is sleepy. Ruma means she, girl name. Okay, you will write she is sleepy. Girl means you should use what? She. Boy means he. Right, non-living things means it. When you are saying about yourself and others, we. Okay, when you are saying about others, they. Okay, children, I am repeating again. Already I have done also for your answers, right? Completed. Then next we have writing. Yes, naming part and action part of sentence. Okay, we will complete naming parts and action parts also. Okay? Yes. A group of words make up a sentence. A group of words will make sentence, right? What is sentence means? Sentence means we are using more words there. Words. Right? That makes one sentence. Okay? A sentence tells us about a thought or an idea. What the sentence will tell us? What we are thinking. What is our thought. Right? Then it will show, it will tell us the idea also. Is how we should do, what we should do, like that. Okay, an idea also it will show the sentence. Okay, a sentence what it will tell us? It will tell us about the, yes, tell me, it will tell about the thoughts and, yes, thoughts and ideas. Okay, yes, then all sentences have a naming words. Okay, all sentences have a naming part. Okay, naming part and action part also. Every sentence will be having. Okay, yes, they together state a complete thought. This will state as a complete thought. Completely what we are thinking it will show us. Right? When we are using the naming part and action part. Yes, these two parts will join together in a sentence. Then it will show us the thought. Okay? Are you understanding, children? Yes, you should remember this and all. Okay? Naming parts and action parts of the sentence only we are learning here. So naming part means a name of a person or an animal or a place, thing, anything, let it be, right? That is the naming part. But the action part is what we are doing, and what we are doing, what we are going to do is this all comes under the action part. Okay, these two parts is there in the sentence, then it will show us the thought. Okay, what we are thinking. Thought means what your idea is, what your thought is that will show. Okay, the naming part is who or what is being talked about. Yes, naming part means who and what they are talking about. Yes, that only naming part. Okay, it can be the name of a person, animal or a thing. Anything let it be. It comes under the naming part. The action part says what someone or something does. If someone or something is doing something, right, that comes under the action part. Okay. Example like Ruchi. Ruchi dances in her room. Ruchi is a naming part. Inner room. Dances in a room. Dance is an action, right? Dances in a room. Inner room. That comes under the action part. Understand, children? Yes. What is the naming part? Name. A name will come before the sentence, right? Yes. That is naming part. Then after the action, whatever action is there, after that what the sentence comes, that comes under the action part. Are you getting, children? Yes. Hope you are understanding. Yes. Today we learned naming part, action part. Then subject pronoun and exercises we have done. Right children? Yes. Your homework is exercise 3.4 is your homework. Page number. Yes. What is the page number children? 39. Okay. So complete it. Okay. Homework as well as class work today. What all we did. Yes. That also you should complete and send it in the group for correction. Yes. Till page number. Yes. 39. Yes. From page number 37 to 39. You have to complete and send it in the group for correction. Okay. Then we will end up the class. Here it is enough. Then the rest of the thing we will start in the next class. Okay.